Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol WKHS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another rough day for this one as it put in lower lows and lower highs. So the trend from basically the entire week continues with, the price just drifting lower and lower downwards. So what I want to do here is just map out a couple of key levels here headed into next week and really apply the KISS method. Keep it simple, stupid. So the first adjustment, let me actually squeeze this down to offer up a bit more perspective. But we got a good bit of a confirmation point here. And the confirmation point is that, yeah, right here around $22.80 is going to be an important level of support. I mean, you go through the history of the chart and you can see that right there. Fantastic low, and the price bounced right off it. And then today, not exactly to the exact penny, but I think we'd all agree close enough. On the gap down, price was right around that 22.80 mark, and then did get a very nice bounce in the upwards direction. But the point here being is that 22.80 is going to be a level that really stands out like a sore thumb. And when levels stick out and a lot of people are watching them and observing and wondering the same things, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It can certainly produce some very dynamic movements. And that's what, again, the 22.80 mark is representing moving forward. So keep a very close eye on that from the support side of things. On the flip side, and again, in the spirit of just keeping it simple, stupid, and no pun intended here, but keep in mind and watch that 50-period simple moving average, the purple line there. Keyword being moving. So yes, right now it's valued at 25.50, but as time goes on, that line will move itself lower and lower. So the point here being is this value right there is going to change, but that's really pretty much moving averages are like trend lines for lazy people. So if you don't feel like drawing a trend line, just let this quote-unquote trend line draw itself for you, because it is in the sloping in the downwards direction. And again, as long as the price is down below that purple line, then as of now, yeah, the bears are in full ownership of the current price movement over the past few days. So the pullback continues, but keep an eye on 22.80 as that main level of support, the 50-period moving average as that main level of resistance, and let's see how it plays out next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.